In a world where your attention is constantly being pulled in every direction, where one notification turns into 10, and your mind keeps jumping from one thought to another, studying can start to feel impossible. Not because you're lazy, not because you're not capable, but because your mind is overwhelmed. The good news? It doesn't have to stay this way. You don't need more motivation. You need a better system. And it starts with 3 simple shifts. Step 1. Remove the noise, not the phone. Most people blame their phone for distraction, but the real distraction is the noise inside your head. Unfinished thoughts, worries, random mental chatter. So before you even open your book, pause, sit still, take a slow breath in and out, and tell yourself, for the next few minutes, this is all that matters. This isn't about forcing focus. It's about creating space for focus to enter. Because when your mind becomes quiet, even briefly, your concentration becomes sharper, deeper, and more natural. Step 2. Make your brain curious, not forced. You can't force your brain to focus, but you can invite it. Instead of just reading, ask yourself, what am I actually trying to understand here? That single question activates your mind. Suddenly, you're not just reading, you're searching, exploring, and curiosity changes everything. It turns studying from pressure into a challenge. And your brain loves challenges. It loves solving problems. It loves finding answers. So don't push yourself to study. Pull your brain in with curiosity. Step 3. Study in micro wins, not marathons. Long study sessions don't build motivation. They drain it. Instead, focus on small, clear wins. One concept, one page, one idea at a time. Every small win gives your brain a sense of progress. Your confidence grows, momentum builds, and slowly, studying stops feeling heavy. It starts feeling possible. And once it feels possible, it becomes easier to keep going. You don't need perfect focus. You just need a system that makes distraction weaker. Quiet your mind, trigger curiosity, stack small wins, and studying won't just become manageable, it'll become something you actually enjoy.